Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel and today's video about CSSE exams question which came in 2025. Okay, the question number 5. Okay, for the bus timetable with the local and the express service, right? Okay, between Bridgeford and Roscoe, there is a local bus service through Pipham and Drawn, or an express bus service through Neverdon and Telesport. Yeah, so this is, the map is given. Okay, so you need to look at carefully from Bridgeford to Roscoe and also Bridgeford to Narvadon and Telesport, right? Okay, so look at the timetable. Is the express service is given and the local service is given. And now read the question A. Yeah, okay, so part A is how long does it take to get from Bridgeford to Telesport? Okay, and with the express bus. Okay, so go for the express service. All right, okay, so very simple, very easy. Okay, so look at this is the express. Okay, so Bridgeford is starting 8:05, right? Okay, and is asking about to Telesport. Okay, so how long it takes? Yeah, so look at this one is 8:05. Okay, so it means is very simple, very easy. Is starting point for the Bridgeford is 8:05. Okay, I can write here very simple 8:05. Okay, and Telesport reach is 8:50. Yeah, so it means how long. Okay, it takes very simple, very easy. Yeah, okay, so is 45 minutes. Yeah, okay, so is 45 minutes. Okay, it's very easy. Yeah, okay, so move for the question number B. Okay, if the local bus goes with the same speed for all parts of its journey, how far is between Drone to Roscoe? Now they're talking about the local. Okay, so look at the local bus timetable. All right, okay, and they're asking about, if the local bus goes with the same speed for the all parts of its journey, how far is between Drone and Roscoe, right? Okay, so this question you need to work out. Okay, so you need to use the formula for distance, time, and speed. So you're gonna make a triangle. Okay, if you're familiar about this one. Okay, so look at this one I will make for you. Okay, so look at this one. I can write D for the distance and S for the speed and T for the time, right? Okay, so if we need to find out the distance, right? Okay, so how you work out, we need to, oh, okay, time speed times very simple, right? Okay, so first we need to find out what is the speed between, with the uniform speeds, like from Bridgeford to Pipham and Pipham to Drawn. Okay, very simple. What I'm gonna do it. Okay, from Bridgeford to Pipham or Pipham to Drawn. You can work any of them, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna find the speed. Yeah. Okay, so if I'm gonna find the speed, so very simple. So I'm gonna write here D divided by time, right? Okay, so S and the distance I'm gonna take uh from Bridgeford. Okay, from Bridgeford to Pipham is, is distance is 25 kilometer, right? Okay, so 25 kilometer I can write here 25. And how long it takes, okay, from Bridgeford to Pipham, right? Okay, so look at this from Bridgeford to Pipham. Look at this one is a 8:10 starting time to Pipham. It will reach, okay, 8:40. Yeah, okay, so it means it take 30 minutes. You need to simply divide by 30. Okay, so you need to use the bus method. Okay, if I say that, what, 25 divided by 30, look at this. Okay, so 30. Okay, so you can't divide 25 by 30. I can put the decimal here and I can use here 0. So now 8 times 3 is 24, so 240. So I can write here 8 times 30 is 240, and now remainder is 10, right? Okay, I put 10, so it means 30 times 3 is 90, and now is recurring, so 8 0.833. Yeah, okay. So it means the speed we found 0.833. Okay, very simple. Yeah, okay. So we found the speed between Bridgeford to Pipham or Pipham to Drawn. You will found the speed 0.83. Now what you're going to do it, okay? Very simple, okay? So we need to, okay, we need to find out the distance between Drawn to Roscoe, okay? So how we find the, you know, the distance, okay? So distance, we know that is speed d time s. Speed we already found 0.83. This is the speed, and now we're gonna go and check how long it takes. Yeah, okay. So from, look at this one, from Drawn to Roscoe. Look at this one, from uh, Drawn to Roscoe. So Drawn is 8. The time is 8:04, right? Okay, and its reach to Roscoe is 9:16. So it means it's reached in 12 minutes, right? Okay, so in 12 minutes reach. Okay, so we can multiply by 12, right? Okay, so if we multiply by 0.833 times 12, so look at this one, 12 times 3 is 36, and 12 times 3 is 36, 36 plus 3 is 39, okay, and 12 times 8 is 96, and 96 plus 3 is 99, right? Okay, and look how many decimal places there are. 3 decimal places, so you can put here. So it means the distance between Drone and Roscoe is 10 kilometer, right? Okay, so this is your answer, right? Okay, if I round it, so 9.96 is going to be 10 kilometers. So this is your answer for 10 kilometer, right? From Drone to Roscoe. Now go for the part C. Is very simple, very easy. Okay. Now this time they're asking about if the local bus leaves Bridgeford 5 minutes late. Instead of leaving 8:10, right? Okay. So they are leaving 10 minutes late. Yeah. So instead of leaving 8:10, 10 minutes late, so I'm gonna say that 8:15. Okay, so 5 minutes late, so it means 10:15 they leave. Okay, and the road work between Pipham and Drone have done half the speed between Pipham and Drone, right? Okay, because of the road works. Okay, the speed between Pipham and Drone, okay, is half, right? Okay, so look at the important point you need to look at here, the timetable, and check from Pipham to Drawn. Okay, so how long it takes. Yeah, so Pipham, the bus leave 8:40. Okay, and so to reach in Drawn is 9:04. Yeah, okay, so it means it's gonna be takes 24 minutes. Okay, so 24 minutes for the normal time, right? Okay, so if the speed is same, yeah, so it's gonna be 24 minutes. Okay, but obviously if the speed is half, so it's gonna be take 48 minutes. Okay, so it means from Pipham to Drawn. Okay, so it's going to be so first what we're going to do from Bridgeford to Pipham, you need to add, okay, plus 30, right? Okay, so I'm gonna add here 30, so the time will be 8:45, right? Okay, so 8:45 it will be reached to Pipham, and now what happened? Between Pipham to Drawn, the speed is going to be half because of the road work. So it's gonna be takes 48 minutes instead of 24. Okay, so what we're going to do, we need to add, okay, 8:45. Okay, 8:45, so add 48 minutes. Okay, so 48 minutes we're gonna add here, but how we gonna add 48 minutes? Very simple. So first you go for 9 o'clock, okay, and it means is a 15 minutes you add. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, okay, so you need to take away 48, take away 15 is going to be 33. Yeah, okay, so the train will be arrive, okay, 9:33, right? Okay, so it will arrive to drone, okay, 9:33. Now look at, we already work out, okay, so between drone to Roscoe, look at this one, from drone to Roscoe, how long it takes is 12 minutes. Very simple, you need to add here 12 minutes. Okay, so if you add 12 minutes, the reef to Roscoe at 9:45. Okay, so it means your answer for the C is 9:45. Yeah, okay. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your family, friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.